What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your host Mark. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today, and I am back with a banger. Let's go, man. I'm super pumped. I haven't done one of these videos in a long time, so if you like these videos, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you don't, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to, change things up. And I used to do these a lot on the channel, and it's been a while since I bought anything. So I bought something here. I think if I hold it for a little bit, price will go up just a little bit. If not, I could just sell it for a small profit. Just trying to stay busy, trying to, make some money, just trying to, do different things and pretty much just stay busy and just not quiet. But anyways, we got a Supreme unboxing fall winter 2022. We had last week's drop, November 3rd. I got the pretty much #1 item that was at the top, which was the Pillsbury Doughboy Supreme Cookie Jar Collab. I got it right here. We're gonna unbox it, guys. But before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, man, and let's get straight into it, raw and uncut, no editing, none of that crazy. We show you the flaws in this video. We show you everything. But without further ado, let's get into it, baby. I got the box right here. It comes in a nice big brown box. You know what I'm saying? So I kind of already got a little glimpse of what it looks like. But we're gonna break this bad boy open and show you what comes inside. So Supreme, they never really change things up. You get your Supreme sticker. You got some tissue paper. Things you need for when you package glass and stuff. But that's what it's looking like. Pillsbury Supreme cookie jar. Now let's get this bad boy out of this box and get to the good part, right? Toss that out the window. All right, so here we have it, guys. We got the Supreme Pillsbury Doughboy cookie jar. Nice little white box thing, nothing crazy. Got the Pillsbury logo with the Supreme there. Cookie jar. So let's get this bad boy open and see what is inside. So we got some foam, which I knew to protect the glass. Okay, we'll get that out to the side. So right from the beginning, the head, it looks like it's separated from the body for, to keep it nice and secure. There's the head. I'll put it off to the side. We'll get to that in a moment. I don't want to drop it. We got some more foam, which I'll throw to the side. And then we got the body. All right, so we'll look at the body first. So the head and the body come separate. This is the body. You got the feet. He's holding the Supreme logo right there. As you can see it, nice and clean. Got the cookie jar, pretty nice size. Looks like you could fit a lot of cookies in here. Not even gonna lie, a lot of cookies probably fit in there. And then we have the head. You got the Pillsbury Doughboy. The doughboy, you know what I'm saying? With the Pillsbury, got a little cap on. And then on the back of his head, he got that Supreme logo. And the head sits nice and flush. There. So there you have it, guys. It's nothing too crazy. It is pretty dope. The glass feels like some good thick glass. Like if you drop it, it won't crack instantly, but I do not advise cracking it. But it's a nice size, I would say a little over a foot put together. Not bad. It's pretty tall, as you can see. Put it on your counter, fill it up with some cookies, man, or if you want to put it somewhere on your shelf and have it collect some dust, you could as well. But I'm probably gonna sell this one. This is a really nice, cool piece. I really like it. And it has a little gasket there, like right there. It has like a little rubber gasket where it kind of just holds maybe the air out to keep the cookies fresh, which is cool. But that's pretty much it, guys. You got the Supreme Pillsbury Doughboy cookie jar. Supreme logo right there. And you also have some Supreme branding on the back of the Doughboy's head, the cap. Beautiful, nice detail. It looks exactly like it. It's so crazy. This ran about $118. Retail, after tax, it was like 130 something for me, shipping and tax. And they're going for like 150, so not a lot of profit right now, but some money. Didn't really take, I got this in and out, went on the app, I went onto the Supreme website at 11 a.m. on the drop, picked it up for retail, and we're gonna try to sell it, but this is what it's looking like. 118 was retail, 135 after shipping and tax. Plan on selling it for 150, maybe a little bit more. So not much profit, but we're staying busy. We've got money coming in. It's not hurting us anything. And yeah, guys, we got some Supreme on the bottom as well. It says not for microwavable use. I'll show you that. Just noticed that. Not for microwavable use. Supreme. General Mills, TMS, used under license, made in China. Hand wash only, guys. Very important. You want to hand wash this only. Don't put this in your dishwashers and all none of that. This is fragile. This is glass. It can scratch. It can break. Take good care of it. It's pretty pricey. 120 bucks, 118 bucks for a cookie jar. But like I said, I'm gonna be selling it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this small little video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and we're gonna squeeze in. Let me not drop this. Let's squeeze in a thumbnail. There you have it, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Me and my Doughboy, we gonna be out. But before we leave, you know we can't leave without saying, stay safe, but keep getting money. Peace out, y'all.